Michael Carrick demands more Man United signings. We need to keep pushing. Michael Carrick wants Manchester United to keep strengthening before transfer deadline. County Kildare, Ireland. Michael Carrick believes Manchester United still have work to do in the transfer market and should continue looking for new players before the summer window closes. United have already invested around £85 million in their squad, bringing in Andrey Santos from Chelsea and Youri Tielemans from Aston Villa. However, with the transfer deadline approaching on September 1, Carrick feels the club should remain active and explore further opportunities to improve the team. Speaking during United's pre-season camp in County Kildare, Carrick praised the club's business so far. He said the new arrivals had added quality, improved the squad's balance, and supported the direction in which the team wants to move. At the same time, Carrick made it clear that Manchester United cannot afford to become complacent. The club remains focused on finding ways to strengthen, whether by adding more quality or increasing depth in key positions. One position United are reportedly considering is left-back, with Newcastle's Lewis Hall among the players linked with a possible move. The club are also understood to be assessing the midfield after Casemiro's departure and Manuel Ugarte's knee injury, which is expected to keep the Uruguay international unavailable for a significant part of the season. Carrick did not reveal exactly how many more players United are targeting. Instead, he stressed that any additional signing must have a clear purpose and genuinely make the squad stronger. The club's finances have also been helped by several outgoing deals. Rasmus Højlund's permanent move to Napoli, Radek Vitek's transfer to Middlesbrough, and a sell-on payment connected to Mason Greenwood's move from Marseille to Fenerbahce have contributed to United's summer finances. As a result, their estimated net spending remains around £30 million. Sources close to the club indicate that funds remain available for further recruitment. United were reportedly in a position to match Tottenham's £85 million offer for Matheus Fernandes, although the club ultimately decided not to proceed with the deal. With Tottenham also making major investments in their squad, United remain one of the traditional top 6 clubs yet to spend £100 million on an individual player. Carrick suggested that competing with financially powerful rivals such as Arsenal and Manchester City will not simply come down to spending more money. For Carrick, the priority is to focus on football, improve the squad, and make the most of the resources available. He believes United must continue pushing themselves, remain ambitious, and take advantage of every opportunity to compete for success. The message from Carrick is therefore straightforward. Manchester United are pleased with their summer business so far, but the rebuilding process is not finished. The club will continue searching for the right additions, provided those moves can genuinely improve the team.